Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. Hey, I'm Susie. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, then make sure you hit subscribe down below. And also make sure you follow me on all my socials. The link down below, top link, description box down below. And today I have a very exciting video for you guys. So I got a new phone, and I went to T-Mobile today, like this afternoon, because I had a vote today, because it's voting day today. So I went voting this afternoon, and then we went to Dunkin' to get lunch, and then we went to T-Mobile because my new baby came in the mail today, and this is the 13 Pro Max in gold, and I was debating to get like the gold or the silver, but then my friend Alex convinced me to get the gold because the silver stains, and I was like, you know what, bestie, I'll get the gold. So this is what she looks like. She's really cute, and this is the 13 Pro Max in, I think, 128 or 258. I'm not sure the gigabytes which one I got, but this is what it looks like. And this phone came today at 10:50 in the morning. My mom woke me up. She's like, you have a package. I'm like, I didn't order anything. She's like, here you go, the box and everything, here you go. So I was like, okay. So that's what she looks like, and the girl at T-Mobile opened it for me and like transferred my old data to my new phone. So this is what it looks like, and I'm obsessed with the box. Like, I keep all the boxes. That's how I am. So this is what she looks like. She's really cute. And I just came back from training at Ulta because I got the job at Ulta, and I just have to go back tomorrow to finish more training. So I took the charging cable out because I had to charge my phone. My phone was literally at 20% before. So I rushed home and had a charge, got dinner at McDonald's, and now I'm here filming this video. So I just took like I said, the charging cable out, and then it comes with a little pamphlet thing, which I don't care about. I'm just here for the Apple sticker. And it also came with a SIM card, little pin thingy that the girl at T-Mobile didn't use. This one, she used a different one, but I still like to keep this just in case. Here I am dropping the box. So, so yeah. And I love the inside of the box. Like, the inside of the box is like perfect. The phone's cute too. This is what the box looks like. And like I said, I got the gold one, and I also have a clear phone case that I got from Five Below. And if you want me to film like any other videos of like 13 Pro Max cases, comment down below. I'm gonna get it from Shein or whatever, or Five Below, Shein or Five Below. If you want to see that video, comment down below. So let's go ahead and put the case on again. And I also got a screen protector at T-Mobile because I had to get a screen protector. When you get a new phone, you have to. So it's just like my lock screen, my home screen. It's like Thanksgiving. It was like Christmas. No, it was, why did I say Christmas? It was literally like Halloween before. And then I'm just gonna keep this because just probably change the background. But she said, like I said, she set everything up. And then like here I have a couple widgets for like why do I keep saying Christmas? I have a couple widgets for Halloween, but I'm gonna put that into like fall and like Thanksgiving. And I have like 2 widgets of like summer that I forgot to change. But yeah, if you also want to see like what's on my iPhone 13 Pro Max or cases, comment down below. But that is it for this video, guys. I hope you liked this video, and I don't mean to brag. My contract was literally up this weekend, and I literally had to get a new phone. So I ordered this phone last week, and it came today. So, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below. Make sure you turn on post notifications. And I love you guys so much. See you guys next week with another video. Bye, guys.